When industrial clients need high-quality, customized solutions for processing or storage, they call on Dell Corporation. We've been designing and manufacturing various equipment for more than 35 years. We understand every customer has unique product requirements and operational needs. Dell Corporation built its reputation as an industry leader by providing our customers the highest quality equipment at an exceptional value. Our products range from customized tanks and clarifiers to mixers and shakers. Our process covers 4 stages: design, fabrication, assembly, and testing. The design stage begins when our sales personnel develop a cost-effective solution for a customer. The design team receives product concepts and requirements and creates our internal documentation, such as drawings and bills of material. Dell then procures the necessary raw materials and inspects them to ensure they meet design requirements. With a complete design in hand, fabrication processing can begin. The team follows an outline developed by our design department. This process is called nesting, in which materials are electronically laid out in the order they're needed. Guided by drawings from the design team, manufacturing personnel program our high-definition plasma table to cut materials into the required dimensions. Additional manufacturing activities for materials such as plate roll and press brake may be needed to meet design and product requirements. Next, our qualified welders assemble materials based on approved design outputs such as drawings. Dell Corporation utilizes several welding processes, including sub-arc and bug-o track welding, to enhance the manufacturing process. These processes help ensure a consistently high-quality product with sustainable results. The materials we use while manufacturing product maintain unique identification throughout the process to ensure the proper materials are used according to customer and design requirements. Product is then sent from manufacturing to assembly for further processing. Such activities may include installing components, running electrical wiring, applying protective coating, and verification and validation testing. Once a product is fully assembled, it's tested to ensure it's capable of meeting design and customer requirements. Dell Corporation has built a reputation as an industry leader. We take a great deal of pride in providing customized solutions that meet our customers' needs while exceeding their expectations. The Dell process takes those solutions from vision to reality.